How to install and use Fonounce. Install the Amazon App Store. The Fonounce app for your Android smartphone. Hear who is calling before you reach and look at your phone. Available exclusively from the Amazon App Store or on our website. https://www.aclippy.com. The Fonounce app is free and is available on the Amazon App Store for Android. If you haven't already installed the Amazon App Store on your smartphone, please do so. Please view this video on YouTube. Then follow the instructions to install the Amazon App Store. Installing the Amazon App Store on your phone enables you to install not just the Fonounce app. You can install many other apps and games not available on Google's Play Store. Plus, many of these apps, including Fonounce, are free. Install the Fonounce app. Open the Amazon App Store and type Fonounce app in the search box. Fonounce app will display, then click on Install button. After installation is complete, tap on the Open button on the bottom right-hand corner. The download has completed. You will be asked to click on Allow for permission approval. The next screen will prompt to click on Continue to approve permission. Please click on Allow 4 times to give Fonounce permission. Next screen will prompt to the app always run in background. Please click on Allow, then your app will run in background. During the installation process, we ask you to register our app. Although registration is optional, we urge you to register. Registration has a number of benefits. It allows you to report any bugs by sending us the execution logs. We can also inform you of any updates to the app as well as helpful tips. At the very least, please provide a working email address. This is the app's main screen. It has 3 boxes and 3 buttons at the bottom of the screen. Select Call Blocker to block either all incoming calls or specific numbers. You can also send a friendly SMS message to the party being blocked. Select Call Announcer to start and stop the app. Select whether to announce incoming and outgoing calls. It also allows you to turn on the Bluetooth support. Select More settings to fine-tune the app's behavior. The bottom right I button displays information about your smartphone and the Fonounce app. The bottom left button will email an action log to our support team. Please tap on this button if you encounter a bug in the app. This T button is for troubleshooting help. By the way, anytime you need help while using the app, tap the Help button at the top of the screen to access relevant help. If you have any questions or comments, please email them separately to support@aclippy.com. Call Blocker screen. On this screen, tap the checkbox to block all calls from unknown numbers. That is a number that is not in your contact list. It also shows your call list. The problem with blocking all unknown numbers is that occasionally the unknown caller might be someone who you do want to talk to. It could be a friend who has changed his or her phone number, or someone you may have given your number to but have not saved in your contact list. Call Announcer screen. To turn on Fonounce, At least one of the boxes should be checked. The first time you turn on call announcing, you will be prompted for this permission. Please grant it. Important. Once you turn on Fonounce, you can close the app screen. The app will keep running in the background until you turn off the phone or uncheck these boxes. A small indicator at the top of your phone screen tells you that the app is running. Please note that the Bluetooth option is only supported for Android phones using version 12 and above. For phones running earlier versions, you can continue using wired headphones. More settings screen. Tapping this box allows you to personalize the Fonounce application to your taste. Please explore the different options and change them in order to make your use of Fonounce a rich and rewarding experience. Contact info registration. You already provided most of this information during the app installation process. But please review the information and make any necessary changes. Enter your contact name in English or in your local language script. Please provide a working email address so that you can reply to your questions, comments and bug reports. The phone number is optional, but it helps if we need to contact you for additional information. Type your name in our unique Acclippy script so that Fonounce can pronounce it accurately.
Pooja.
Try different spellings until you get the pronunciation right. Edit prefix suffix. When you first install the app and receive the first incoming call, you will hear the word hey followed by the caller's name.
Hey.
Then the words is calling.
Inch calling.
Why not have fun with it?
Call to.
Change the prefix to your lordship and the suffix to seeks permission to speak indeed anything you like. You can even insert your own name. Of course, the text should be in Acclippy for it to be pronounced correctly. Play the text and fine-tune the pronunciation.
Kasa kai.
Do the same for outgoing calls even though you are the only one who hears it. If you make a lot of outgoing calls, it sure is nice to hear the correct pronunciation of the person you are calling at the moment. Important. Make sure that you save the desired pronunciations. You can ignore all the Bluetooth related settings unless your announcement text is getting truncated while using Bluetooth headphones. Contacts. Call. Edit. Share. You might be wondering how the app pronounces people's names correctly. The pronunciations of many names are already stored in our database stored in our app. When you encounter a name that is not pronounced correctly, you can add the pronunciation to our database. A name only has to be added once. We'll also add the name to our database so that you, or others for that matter, will have access to the correct pronunciation later. We will explain the syncing process later in this video. As you and others keep adding more names, the app keeps getting better.
Bhushan Patil.
Important. Make sure you press the save and update buttons when adding names. If you are enjoying this app, why not share it with your contacts? Tap on the share button and send a link so that your Android using friends can download the link and install the app on their Android. Accent selection TTS. Type your name in our unique Acclippy script so that Fonounce can pronounce it accurately. Most of us only have the Google TTS engine installed on our phones. However, if you have installed other TTS engines on your phone, you can select a different one. Regardless, take a look at the settings and adjust them if you like. Remember to please adjust the settings. The installed default for Fonounce is Marathi, India. If your native language is different, please choose a language accent that you find the closest match. Remember that the language that you initially choose may not give satisfactory results. Speech rate allows you to adjust the speed of the announcement, fast or slow, to your preference. You can also adjust the pitch to adjust to the audio output. Try varying the pitch until you find the pitch that you like best. Custom Android. Auto Start. The Auto Start option is meant for certain phone models. For example, Xiaomi, that require Fonounce to be auto started. In most cases, you can skip this setting. Click on Auto Start. You will see the Fonounce app icon. Click on the button Activate Auto to automatically start the app. Battery optimization. Due to aggressive battery optimization, certain Android phones automatically shut down apps after a few minutes of inactivity. Turn on the app. You should keep it run in the background. To suppress repeated announcement, turn on key press. Click on Silent on key press. Give permission. This allows you to silence the phone by pressing the volume button on the phone. Announcement setting. Vocalizer setting. You can adjust the number of times that the announcement is heard. You can also change the interval between announcements. Sync names. The Acclipi Institute maintains a central database of the pronunciation of different words. After a period of time, you might want to update your phone with new words in the database. Tap Sync to Phone. To contribute any new phonetic words that you have added in your phone, tap Sync to Server. Acclipi Practice. During this video we have spoken a lot about Acclipi and its extensive use in Fonounce. To practice and get fluent in Acclipi, type words and hear them being pronounced.
पुणे,
Once you gain sufficient experience, you will find typing in Acclipi easy and convenient. Remember, you type in Acclipi exactly the way you pronounce. Remember, each letter has exactly one sound.
बावधन,
You can learn more about Acclipi at https://www.acclipi.com. Thank you for watching this video. Spread the word. Please encourage your friends to participate. Happy crowdsourcing. Please like, share and comment on social media. We love your feedback.